In this video, you'll learn how to quickly create follow-up tasks in Pipedrive so you never miss an important next step. Setting up follow-ups at the right time helps keep your deals moving and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Start by going to the Activities section from the left-hand sidebar in your Pipedrive workspace. At the top of the Activities page, click the plus icon to create a new activity. This opens a form where you can quickly add your next step while it's still fresh in your mind. Next, choose the activity type that matches your plan. For example, select Call if you plan to phone a contact, choose Email if you'll follow up with a message, pick Meeting if you're scheduling time with a prospect, use Task for general to-dos like preparing documents. Choosing the right type helps keep your schedule organized and improves your reporting. After that, set the date and time for the activity. Be realistic and specific. This helps you prioritize your work and avoid last-minute rushes. If you're working across different regions, consider time zones to make sure your follow-up happens at the right moment. Now, link the activity to the relevant deal. This step is very important because it connects your follow-up directly to the opportunity. It keeps all conversations, files, and next steps in one place and makes your pipeline easier to manage. Once everything is set, save the activity. Your follow-up is now scheduled and will appear in your task list, helping you stay on track. That's all it takes. Go to Activities, click the plus icon, choose the type, set the time, and link it to a deal. To get the most out of this, stay consistent with how you use activity types, schedule realistic times, and always log your next follow-up right after each interaction. Keep using this simple habit, and you'll build a more organized, proactive workflow that helps you close deals more efficiently.